Watch how I got this home's frontage back to bright. Let's check it out. First, I start in the driveway. Driveways are always going to be some of the hardest areas. A lot of soil and contamination. This driveway has probably not been cleaned in maybe a decade or more. Working on the sidewalk now. Always like to do the sidewalk. You can see right there where the neighbor has already had their sidewalk done. We did them about a year ago. Look at that. One of the most gratifying things about this job is just seeing the results in real time as we get all that dirt and years of contamination and soilation just removed. Look at that. We get on the stairs and the walkway. I have to use the hand tool for that so I can really get into those tiny grooves. Look at there. A 50-50 shot of removing over a decade of soilation. And check that out. Driveway's looking nice. Walkway's looking nice. Contact Clear Auto Spa today for your driveway cleaning.